Invertebrate, Harry Potter and Invincibility, Clock, Hermione Granger and Clock Christmas Holidays, Ron Weasley and Wizard Chess, Hermione Granger and Flying Feather, Draco Malfoy and Remember They're Looking for Dumbledore, I got Severus Snape and the Fire Twelve, Neville Longbottom, Petrified, Hagrid and Dragon Egg.